Hey guys, how are you? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about anxiety information and how to cope with this when you're out driving. Occasional anxiety is a part of your life, and it's a natural reaction to the events or situations that are frightening and stressful. What I want to do is give you some examples. I want to give you a pathway to help you become a good driver and to help you understand when you have a panic attack or anxiety, how to deal with it. If you have questions, please put them in. The start of a new school year. Waiting to hear if you passed the test. Did you make the team? Did you get the new job? Did you pass your driving test? All of these are things that cause anxiety. All of these things make us feel nervous and makes us anxious. This is all a part of the process. When you're anxious, our bodies often react. They release endorphins, which can increase our heart rate, which can make us a little bit nervous and make us sweat with our hands. For most people feeling like this, the anxiety will go away. But for some of us, this will stay over time, and then it becomes a problem. I want to help you become a good driver, help you prepare for driving, and make you successful. Overly anxious driving can cause us to lose control of our vehicle. I want you to put your questions in and ask. My goal is to get 1,000 likes today. Some people suffer from anxiety that persists. The anxiety affects your well-being, and it interferes with your day-to-day life, such as driving, thank you for the hearts, such as making right turns, such as parallel parking, such as making left turns. A lot of my questions come from anxiety. I'm here to relax you, I'm here to calm you, and I'm here to help you. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Excessive worrying about anxiety will become fearful. You never want to be fearful when you drive. You want to trust the process, trust your instructor, trust your caregiver, trust your parent, because I want to see you be successful. I've always spoken about positivity. I've always spoken about being successful, and you do this through overcoming your anxiety with gradual exposure. You may have difficulty sleeping. I need you to focus on concentration. What is really important? Really important is your family. Family comes first. Really important is dealing with school. Really important is dealing with proper mental health. That always comes first. And I want you to know that. Hey, how are you? You have to have self-care. And with self-care and resting, you will become less irritable, less restless, and you won't be on the edge as much. If this sounds like you, leave comments, talk to me, and ask questions. What is a panic attack? A panic attack is a sudden feeling of severe fear or distress. We have this when we drive, when you first get into the car, when you're learning how to drive through a parking lot. And COVID has impacted this because a lot of people are 19, 20, 23, 24. I'm here to help. I taught driver's ed through COVID, and I'm here to help you. Thank you for the wise words, Shaw. Shaw, drop a rose, drop a heart. This is going to be very impactful for helping all of us. A person who is having a panic attack may have chest pains. You may feel nausea. You may start sweating, and I've seen people's hands sweat when they're driving. So myself as an instructor, I want to support you. I want to help you. Thank you for the rose. That means so much. Hey! Thank you so much. And I truly believe in being authentic and helping all of you overcome your anxiety so you can get out there and drive or get out there and be productive. Shaking or intense feelings of fear, being at home alone, going out to take your road test, Many of you have left comments and concerns. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you process, and I'm here to help you reach your goal. Thank you, A, for sending those roses. Thank you so much from my heart. Feeling irritable or feeling restless or on the edge. If I see you in this way, I want to help you. I want you to remember to stay calm. You're so correct. And when you stay calm, I can better help you learn how to drive, help you feel more secure. If you experience a panic attack, deep breathing, relaxation, they are so important. There's more information to help you. Here's some of the ways to help you cope with anxiety. I want you to follow these calming techniques. I want to help you with anxiety, including panic attacks. I had a driver getting ready to make a left-hand turn. The driver panicked. It took the driver 30 seconds to 2 minutes to make a left turn. I supported them. I told my driver, whenever you are ready to make your turn, you make your turn. It took about 3 minutes. I did not rush them. If I would have rushed them, the outcome would have not been that good. So I took my time. I told my driver, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and relax all of your muscles. Hey, Mariah, how are you? Take a deep breath. Take a cleansing breath. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the love. Slowly count to 4. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. You should feel better. Deep breathing is a very effective way of staying calm and relaxing. Practice mindfulness. Whenever I think of all of you, I try to make mindful, high-quality content to help you learn how to drive, to get you comfortable in the car, to help you in class, to help you pass your knowledge test, to show you how to merge on the expressway, to show you how to parallel park, to show you how to make a good left-hand turn, and ultimately reduce fear and anxiety. That's what this platform is all about. I'm here to help you reach your goal of being a safe driver, of being independent. Noticing things that you don't normally notice. Pay attention to the sights, the sounds. Look at pavement markings. Learn to read signs. Read a book. Take a bath. Meditate. Listen to soft music. All of these things help you to relax. If you're getting ready to take your driving test, take a moment, look at some of my videos. The biggest mistake that beginners make, they have anxiety. They're gripping the wheel. They're overwhelmed with road signs, pavement markings, and they have an instructor that is overwhelming them. DJ, what I need you to do, DJ, is take one step at a time. DJ, first I need you to follow. I need you to subscribe. I need you to do all those things. So when I go live, you get notification. Then, because I'm an instructor, I'm going to take you through the process of reducing anxiety, reducing the number of mistakes. Then, DJ, you're going to end up getting your permit. In a few years, DJ, you're going to get your license. That's what it's all about, DJ. So follow me and ask more questions. I want you to enjoy the process of learning how to drive, the texture of the steering wheel, the sound of the engine, squeezing the brakes. You have to feel comfortable and confident knowing I can stop this car. I can parallel park. I can merge on the expressway without fear of getting cut off. Those are some of the biggest things that are mistakes that beginning drivers make. And once you understand this, a good mid-sized vehicle is a good vehicle. A lot of beginners get smaller vehicles, and they're not exactly the type of vehicles we want as an instructor in the transportation industry, a good mid-sized vehicle. But all of you get the vehicle you can afford. If you're not sure, do research on the crash worthiness of a truck. In the United States, they have a 4-star, 3-star, 2-star rating. Do your research. Next, I want you guys to get plenty of sleep. If you notice that I'm smiling a lot more, I'm happy a lot more, because I'm resting a lot more. I need all of you to rest. I need all of you. If you're a Caucasian or African, beautiful. This is Black History Month. The same thing, whether you're African, Caucasian, European, Native American. This is a multicultural platform. And we are who we are. God made us in different sizes, different shapes, different colors. I'm 6'4". I weigh 260. I'm very tall. Use what God has given you to an advantage. Make it an opportunity. So be proud of who you are and use that to grow your brand and gain confidence. I like to see transportation and education in all areas. I want you to become a good driver. About 35 to 55 minutes is a good time to be driving. You don't want to be overwhelmed as a beginning driver. Let's get those likes going, baby. Let's keep it going. Let's get 3K if possible. Thank you. I'm showing you love. You want to drive about 45 minutes to an hour. After about an hour, you're going to start losing focus. You're going to go too slow. You're going to go too fast. And it's extremely important. DJ's asking questions. DJ, drop some likes. I'll answer your questions. Can you explain the distance between me and another driver? It's usually between 6 to 8 feet. You want to keep space to your left. You want to keep space to the right. In case someone puts on brakes, you want to have room. It's a car length for every 10 miles an hour. Thank you. Keep those hearts coming. DJ, I just answered your question. Let's keep it going. Visualize good speed control. Visualize a good hand-over-hand turn in, hand-over-hand turn out. If you visualize safe driving, you will drive safe. If I visualize myself answering your questions, I will answer them because I care. So let's keep putting these questions in. I'm at 2.5 likes. Let's get to 3. Visualize safe driving. Visualize driving through the neighborhood, making right turns, making left turns, stopping, looking left, looking right. Visualize your mom and dad in the car. Dad's in the back, mama's in the front. Whoever is sitting next to you is your co-pilot. Both of your parents want to tell you what to do. Stop, go. Mom and dad, I'm learning how to drive. Whoever sits in the front next to me is my co-pilot. Please don't confuse me. Your parents are so excited, but they're nervous. So you have to tell your parents, whoever's in the front next to me is the co-pilot. So remember that. I'm giving you another tip. Let's keep going. So visualize, close your eyes, and imagine the scene driving through a neighborhood, driving through your school parking lot, merging on the expressway, driving in downtown Detroit, downtown Chicago, downtown Houston, Texas. You see all the cars, all the trucks. You see your city coming alive. And that's a beautiful thing. But you have to take a step back. It could be very overwhelming. Your heart's going to be pounding. You're going to be coming through onto Jefferson Street in downtown Detroit. You're going to be coming to downtown Houston, Texas, off of the turnpike. Take a step back. Breathe. You're going to see hundreds, if not thousands of people. You're going to see buses. Take a step back. People walking in front of you. So when you take a step back, you're able to breathe. Exercise. Take a walk around the block. Get some of that fresh air. Thank you, DJ. Let's keep it going. So when you exercise, it reduces stress. It increases and gives endorphins. That is a good feeling when you walk and exercise. Try meditation. I gave you some examples as an instructor. I want you to reduce your stress. I answered a lot of your questions. If you have questions, you put them in. You want to have guided meditation. You want to allow, your coach should allow you to make mistakes. And through making mistakes, you learn to become a better driver. When you make mistakes, you're really learning how to drive. Thank you. Thank you, DJ. That means a lot. DJ, drop some hearts, drop some likes, drop some roses. We want to push this out to all people. And DJ, I want to say thank you for putting your comments down, and I want you to be ready. Maria, you're scared of driving? The first thing, I want you to drive in your neighborhood. I want you to take 10 right turns, 10 left turns. Have your bestie, have your coach, have your mom, have your dad to support you and help you, okay? Confidence is okay. We all have zero confidence trying new things. I met Mr. Beast. I was nervous. He told me how to make better content. So we all learn new things. Meeting Taylor Swift, meeting Travis, meeting Eminem. Be realistic. Learn and ask questions. Don't be scared. I want to say I love all of you. I want to say thank you. And I will be on later today. Bye.